in this video, we will be comparing Miro with Microsoft Whiteboard. So these are two tools with similar layouts but different depth. For Microsoft Whiteboard, it's free and integrates with Microsoft Themes and Office 365. It's best for basic sketches, quick notes, and collaborative doodles during meetings. It's simple, minimal, and convenient, especially if your team is already in the Microsoft ecosystem. Miro, on the other hand, is much more advanced. It offers ready-to-use templates, sticky notes, Kanban boards, mind maps, embedded media, and deep integrations with third-party tools like Slack, Notion, Figma, and Jira. So you will utilize Microsoft Whiteboard if you need a quick canvas to brainstorm in meetings, and you will use Miro if you're running workshops, planning projects, managing large teams, or facilitating real-time collaboration. Microsoft Whiteboard is simple, while Miro is built for scale. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.